much on it.
It's a chipmunk.
Oh,
Oh, I think it's still alive.
where did it go?
How'd you get it?
Where is it?
It's behind the door here. Okay, wait, grab something. Okay.
Red. Beautiful girls. What is up, guys? Me and Maren, we're gonna make some dinner.
Gonna make dinner with us. Look at these pictures of Chandler that she put on my phone. Like this one.
No!
I have 3 pounds of ground.
I was like, I did like a bowl
Just full with the sauce.
It smells good.
Thank you.
You like
I seasoned it.
Mm-hmm.
It's Southwest style.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Like inspiration. I feel it's very. It's
Oh my
like,
gosh. This video is giving dead wife. Do you know what I mean?
Oh yeah. And I'm like laughing. I'm like, stop it. Now I can't anymore.
Oh, people bought them from the line. Wait.
Do you get commission?
Sorry, crispy chickpeas?
Yeah. We should just start doing it.
Yeah. Just cutting up the cabbage and it's looking really freaking cinematography. Graphics. Bro, not the top chick. Like, put it on the same table as an iPhone, a singular brown chickpea, a vape, a pen, and hydrocortisone cream.
Without the lid.
This looks so silly. If you follow me. Sweet potatoes. They smell really good. This is how her sauce is going. Don't tell Shannon I took her lemons way dark. Don't tell Shannon. What? Little cabbage.
Wasn't that?
No, that's perfect. I'm a saucy girl.
You are saucy, Shannon.
My best friend, she's a dipper. I'm a swimmer.
That was funny. Did you come up with that?
No, she did. She's my best friend. She's really funny.
I like that. We got me fun.
Yeah, you're my freaking best friend too. Life is too short to not have millions of best friends. This is my best friend right here.